Alam mo ba yung kagandahan ng Forex trading? Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang mga advantages of Forex trading. Let's go! Number one advantage of Forex trading is the minimal investment. So, kailangan mo lang daw ng maliit na capital. You can be a Forex trader for as little as $50 on Forex trading. You can grow this capital if you have sufficient trading skills and risk management. So, mali po yung paniniwala na kailangan mayaman or milyonaryo ka bago ka makapag-trade. Kasi, minimal capital lang naman ang kailangan dito. All you have to do is manage it properly. Pangalawa po, no overhead expenses. Ibig sabihin, Forex trading is considered as business. However, its difference from usual business is that there is no overhead expenses. Business po ang Forex trading kasi may capital ka at yung capital mo na yun ay pinalalago mo. Same thing kapag nag-invest ka sa isang business na pinalalago mo yung capital. Dito naman, wala nga lang siyang overhead expenses kasi you can do it with your phone at nasa bahay ka lang. Unlike sa traditional business, kailangan ng salary expense, water, utility, and marami pang iba. Pangatlo, recession-proof po siya. You can make money on Forex no matter what the economic situation of the world is. In Forex, we only buy strong economies and sell weak economies. So, we have a wide choice of which currencies to buy or sell. So, hindi po siya naaapektuhan ng mga pandemya dahil kahit bumababa or tumataas po si Forex, ay pwede ka pa rin mag-earn. You earn by buying the strong currencies and we sell by selling the weak currencies. And we earn from both of them. Pang-apat, you can earn money anytime and anywhere. As long as you have a device and an internet connection, you can earn in Forex trading anytime and anywhere. So, phone tsaka internet lang po ang kailangan nyo. And then, no competition. We are only a small chunk of the market. Competition is not necessary because the market is so vast that it can offer opportunities to all retail traders. Ibig sabihin dito, hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga businesses na, sa akin ka bumili, sa akin ka mag-avail ng ganito. Wala pong ganun. Kasi dito, kahit gaano tayo karaming mag-trade dito, hindi pa rin siya competition kasi sobrang liit lang ng mga retail traders compared sa daily trading volume ni market. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for listening.